In this video, we are grill testing the Blaze Professional gas grill. I'll start by testing the searing power of the Blaze Professional with the French ribeye steak. With all burners set to high, we're pushing 66,000 BTUs of heat. And from the looks of the vapors rising from this steak, we're in for a beautiful sear. The hexagonal shape on the cooking grids allows for more surface contact of the outside of the food, providing you more caramelization than traditional rounded grates. Now it's time to crosshatch. All right, let's give it a flip and check out the sear. Beautiful. I'll crosshatch the second side. Now I'll remove this steak and bring you in for a closer look. Great. Perfect crosshatch on the outside and juicy on the inside. Now I'll throw on some pork chops, spread out across the grill so we can check how even the Blaze Professional cooks. We'll crosshatch. Now we'll flip and we'll get to check out the evenness. Looking good so far. Nice grill marks all the way across the grill. I'll let them cook a little bit longer. Crosshatch the second side. Now we'll get them off the grill and take a closer look. The pork chops look great. Now I'll throw on some homemade pizza dough. There's nothing like crunchy crust of a grilled pizza. I'll give the crust a half turn and let it go a couple more minutes. All right, it's time for us to get some topping on this pizza. The crust grilled up nicely. I'll add some bacon and some mozzarella. This is going to taste awesome. After it's been on for a couple minutes, we'll give it a little half turn. All right, the cheese is nice and melted. Let's get it off the grill. Now the crunch test. Perfect. Blaze Grills, where grilling starts and flavor begins.